the rain gear, you also might want to bring the sunglasses with you. It's one of those weird days where we've got scattered shower chances, storm chances throughout the afternoon, but we also will likely see the return of a little bit more sunshine later today. So that is some good news. The fog is not quite as dense as it was yesterday morning. We're at least seeing some of the buildings here, which is a good benchmark for us. You can see the tops of the buildings still shrouded in fog, but most of us seeing a little bit of brightening and a little bit of improved visibility here this morning. And the showers that were really inundating parts of our western suburbs this morning from Delaware County up into Bucks County and the Lehigh Valley, those have started to shift north as well. Bethlehem got a good soaking this morning. It has started to dry out a little bit. You can see Main Street still looking pretty slick out there. Lots of wet roads up in the Lehigh Valley, especially this morning. But Rittenhouse Square looks pretty quiet. People out taking a walk, taking a stroll. It's humid. It's sticky. Temperatures are in the 60s, dew points to match. But as of right now, it's just mostly cloudy. We've got a breeze from the east at 7 miles an hour. And look at the visibility, back to a full 10 miles at the airport. So much, much better outside as far as the fog is concerned. But we're still under the influence of this same stubborn storm system. You can really see the circulation around it. Center of the low is all the way back here, lifting up toward Detroit. It's getting a little bit further north and east today, but this is going to take until tomorrow morning before we finally kind of kick this out of here. So in the meantime, what we'll see today, you see this kind of wedge of drier air that's over portions of northern Virginia, West Virginia. That's going to start to shift into our region today, and I do think we'll see a little bit more sun. The problem is when you get sunshine, but you're still under this area of low pressure, which is basically just a big cold puddle of air in the upper atmosphere. What happens is you have a lot of instability. And when you get instability and you get heat and you get sunshine, you get thunderstorms to form. And I think we will have to watch for a few scattered strong storms later on today. So right now we've got one heavier shower right along 78 here, just south of Allentown, lifting up into the Allentown area. Some scattered showers into the Poconos. A few more showers for LBI this morning and parts of Ocean County. But for the most part, we have started to dry out and we'll be in a little bit of a lull through midday. But by later this afternoon, scattered storms will redevelop, and these will be mainly from the city on north. Showers will then continue into the early morning hours tomorrow as the center of the low moves out, but then we dry out and the sun comes back tomorrow afternoon. And I think there is a decent, maybe 24-hour dry stretch, let's say noon tomorrow through at least noon on Thursday. I think it stays dry and quiet before our next system approaches Thursday night into Friday with another round of rain. So here's what that looks like. First band of rain pushing out this morning. The sun tries to come out midday, but you can see another round of these scattered storms firing up. This is about 2:30. Storms near the city and points north, and it's these northern storms that could turn briefly strong or severe. Looks like most will stay sub-severe, but we could see some small hail or gusty winds with any one of those. By 7 o'clock, notice this is north of us, and we may have a nice evening to look forward to with some sun breaking out. Center of this low finally starts to exit to the north as we get into tomorrow morning. We'll start tomorrow again with clouds and showers. It's going to look a little dreary at 6, 7 a.m., but then pretty quickly, by 9 o'clock in the morning, the sun is shining, and we have a really nice day to look forward to tomorrow with more sunshine. High pressure will stay in control through midday Thursday, and Thursday starts off nice as well. Thursday morning, probably your brightest commute of the week. Then as we get into late Thursday afternoon, showers and storms redevelop, and here comes our next system. And this will bring a batch of steady rain late Thursday night into Friday morning before clearing out later on Friday. So we just talked to Waukesha about the Truist Championship. Your forecast for that, not ideal, but trending a little bit better. Thursday, at least most of the day looking dry. Friday morning rain, then it's cool, cloudy, and a little bit unsettled, but the weekend is stellar.